listen to the sentence and try to answer the questions. I check in at the airport early in the morning. Where do you check in? I check in at the airport. When do you check in? I check in early in the morning. She shows her passport at the check-in desk. What does she show? She shows her passport. Where does she show it? She shows it at the check-in desk. We check our luggage before the flight. What do you check before the flight? We check our luggage. When do you check your luggage? We check it before the flight. He goes through security with his backpack. What does he go through? He goes through security. What does he have with him? He has his backpack. The customs officer checks our bags carefully. Who checks your bags? The customs officer checks our bags. How does he check them? He checks them carefully. The passengers wait near gate number 7. Who waits near gate number 7? The passengers wait near gate number 7. Where do they wait? They wait near gate number 7. The flight is delayed because of bad weather. What is delayed? The flight is delayed. Why is the flight delayed? It is delayed because of bad weather. I board the plane after the announcement. What do you board? I board the plane. When do you board it? I board it after the announcement. My suitcase is heavy, but I carry it myself. What is heavy? My suitcase is heavy. Who carries it? I carry it myself.